Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of SiaCoin. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the urgent news of SiaCoin. So keep watching. This is very important for all the holders. Anyways, please subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updated videos. If you subscribe, so absolutely you will get a latest news about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Now, if you look the currently price of the Siacoin this time in the market, so you can see here that the currently price of the Siacoin is 0.18351 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Siacoin. On the other side, if you look the price change, so can you see a coin? So the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, last 1 week price change is negative. Except after the last 1 week, the price change of the Siacoin is going positive, my friends. That's mean from the yesterday SiaCoin start jumping, and when they start jumping in the start of June, so that's mean that they will continue this jump for a long time. Let's see the price chart. Wow, absolutely, I really like this kind of pattern, and I can't believe that there is a SiaCoin. Absolutely, my friend, that is a SiaCoin you're watching now. My friends, the price chart is going to the moon, so that is why I get ready to the moon, my friends. Anyways, people ask me questions about SiaCoin that is there chances to the price fast down in the future or not? No, there is not a chance. There is no chances to the price fast down in the future, my friends. Only jump, only jump throughout this whole month. If they start jumping in the start of June, in the first week of June, so that's mean that they will continue this jump for a long time. Anyways, we can't say about the future. That is my prediction. That is my only suggestion for all of you. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about SiaCoin? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.